So this equation was a parabola. Okay, and the parent graph for that was, again, if you just use a table, 1 squared is 1. 2 squared is, and that's the same over here as well. So instead of looking like a V, this graph looked like a U, right? So a lot of times we called it the U-shaped graph. Again, we have the same transformations. Y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. So again, if I'm going to graph this using transformations, I would identify what my a is. I would identify what my h is. And I identify what my k is. OK? Then, again, what is our focus? Our focus is our vertex. We can transform the vertex first. So my graph, h is 2. So my graph is being shifted 2 and then up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now that's my new vertex. Yes?
Is it -2, or do you just take that?
Remember, it's x minus h.
Oh, okay.
So therefore, h is 2. So that's why I'm shifting it to the right. Right? So, but remember, a is negative. So remember, when it's positive, it opens up. Negative, it opens down. So now my graph is going to go down. So instead of going over 1, down 1, over 2, down 4, I need to multiply that by 1/4. So when I go over 1, instead of going down 1, I'm going to go down 1/4. Oh, that's right there. Instead of going over 1, down 1, you have to multiply it by a. So you're going to go over 1, down 1/4. Because you multiply 1/4 times 1. 1/4 times 1 is 1/4. When you go over 2, instead of going down 4, you need to multiply that by 1/4. 4 times 1/4 is? 4 times 1/4 is? 1. And then you can reflect that across your axis of symmetry, if you guys remember. So then, do you guys see how the graph looks stretched, right? Whereas this graph was compressed horizontally, this one is stretched. The reason being is a is less than 1. When a is less than 1, not the negative, the absolute value of a is less than 1, that horizontally stretches the graph. When the absolute value of a is greater than 1, that horizontally compresses the graph. Is everybody OK with that? Yes? No?
Yeah.
OK. Real quick.